Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix this error on your Palworld. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first step that you can do here is to simply restart your game. So first thing to do again is to restart the game. So sometimes the error can be caused by a temporary glitch in the game's code, and restarting the game can help resolve the issue. And then what you can do next is to simply update the game. So if restarting the game doesn't work, the next step is to check if there are any updates available for the game. So developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve the game's performance. So just make sure that you have the latest version of the Palworld instead or installed on your device. So these are the steps that you need to do if you have Steam or if you're using Steam, and then these are the steps that you need to do if you're using Epic Games Launcher. So you can just go ahead and pause this video and follow the steps at your own pace. And then lastly, what you can do here is to reach out to community forums or contact Palworld support. So to reach out to community servers, just visit the official Palworld community forums to see if other players have encountered the same issue and if there are specific workarounds or fixes provided by developers. And if the error persists after this, just consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance, and they may have specific troubleshooting steps tailored to this error. So I have also linked the links for this for the community forums and the support page for the Palworld. So just check the links in the description down below. And that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.